everyone. Today, we Group 19 are excited to present our project titled Passive Transport, the mechanism behind natural membrane movement. Our group consists of 3 members, Gao, Han, and Chu. Together, we explore the fascinating processes of passive transport, its mechanisms, and its relevance in industrial application. Membrane transport refers to a collection of processes that regulate the movement of cells through biological membranes. Mechanisms of membrane transport can be categorized into 2, passive and active transport. These processes are essential for maintaining the proper balance of the substance inside and outside the cell and enabling interaction with the environment. Passive transport is a type of membrane transport that relies on the concentration gradient, allowing molecules to move from areas of higher concentration to lower concentration naturally across the membrane without energy expenditure. Now, let's explore the key mechanisms that drive passive transport.
Okay, there are mechanisms for 3 types of passive transport. In simple diffusion, small and uncharged molecules like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water move directly across the membrane from high to low concentration without using the energy. And in facilitated diffusion, large or charged molecules like carbon dioxide and amino acids use a carrier or channel proteins to cross the membrane, moving down their concentration gradient without energy. And then there are 2 types of proteins facilitating in the facilitated diffusion. First, carrier proteins bispecific molecules on one side of the membrane and undergo conformational changes to transport the molecules across to another side. And second, channel proteins form pores through the membrane and allows free diffusion of molecules based on size and charge. And in osmosis, water molecules move across the membrane through a protein channel called aquaporins, following their concentration gradient without using energy. And do you know one example of simple diffusion is gas exchange in respiration? Gases are small and uncharged, allowing them to pass directly through the cell membrane along the concentration gradient without energy or transport proteins. And oxygens move from high concentration in the alveoli of lungs to low concentration in the blood capillaries. And carbon dioxide moves from high concentration in the blood to low concentration in the alveoli to be exhaled. And now we are focused on the application.
Being a simple and energy-efficient process, passive transport is widely used across many industries. So for instance, in pharmaceuticals, passive transport aids drug absorption in the body through oral or topical application. And then in textile and leather industry, it facilitates dye penetration into fibers, producing vibrant and colorful fabrics. And in water and desalination treatment, passive transport facilitates the purification of water for human consumption. Other than those mentioned here, passive transport is also widely utilized in cosmetics, the food and beverage industry, and beyond. Its simplicity and cost-effectiveness makes it valuable, but the process has some limitations, like the process being slow, costly, and unable to target specific areas. To overcome this, modern techniques often combine passive and active methods for better efficiency and broader use. With that, we conclude our presentation. We hope you have gained a better understanding of passive transport, its mechanism, and its wide-ranging applications in everyday life and human use. That's it from Group 19. Thank you.